What is an over-controlling habit? An over-controlling habit is when a person constantly wants to manage, direct, or decide everything, not just for themselves, but often for other people too. They might feel uncomfortable letting things happen naturally or allowing others to make their own choices. It's like they are always holding the remote control of life for themselves and for others. Example, telling friends what to wear, deciding what their partner should eat or do every day, not trusting others to do tasks their own way. Why do over-controlling habits develop? Over-controlling habits don't usually appear overnight. They often grow from past experiences, fears, or personality traits. Common reasons include fear of failure. The person feels that if they don't control everything, things will go wrong. Past bad experiences. If they've been hurt, betrayed, or disappointed, they may control to stay safe. Perfectionism. They want everything done just right and believe only they can do it perfectly. Insecurity. Sometimes controlling others hides feelings of weakness or low self-worth. Upbringing. Growing up with controlling parents or in a strict environment can teach a person to act the same way. How over-controlling habits affect others. Living or working with an over-controlling person can be stressful. Over time, it can change other people's personalities in negative ways. Loss of confidence. When someone is always told what to do, they may stop believing in their own ideas. Frustration and resentment. People start feeling angry or trapped. Dependency. Others may stop making decisions for themselves and rely too much on the controller. Emotional distance. Friends, partners, or colleagues may slowly pull away to avoid constant control. How to overcome over-controlling habits for the person who has them. If you realize you're over-controlling, it's not too late to change. Here's how. Accept that you can't control everything. Life is unpredictable, and that's okay. Trust others. Let people try their own way, even if it's different from yours. Start small. Allow others to make small decisions first, then bigger ones. Focus on your own tasks. Direct your energy towards improving yourself instead of managing others. Learn to relax. Practice deep breathing, meditation, or hobbies to reduce anxiety about control. Ask for feedback. Talk to people you trust and ask if they feel you are controlling. How to deal with over-controlling people for others. If someone in your life is over-controlling, you can handle it calmly. Set boundaries politely. Tell them gently when you need to make your own choices. Stay calm. Avoid fighting or reacting emotionally. Be clear. Use firm but kind words like, "I appreciate your advice, but I'd like to do it my way." Don't take it personally. Remember, their behavior is about their fear, not your ability. Limit exposure if needed. If they refuse to change, reduce the time you spend with them for your own peace. Over-controlling habits can harm relationships, teamwork, and even a person's own happiness. The key is balance. Caring about outcomes is fine, but respecting others' independence is essential.